Hello viewers, welcome back in this channel. So in this video I'll guide you on how to pay Netflix using M-Pesa. So one of the things that you need to have is an M-Pesa Global Pay virtual Visa card. So you can get this from my one app. So what you need to have is to install the application in your device. So you can use Play Store or App Store to download the application. So in my case I'm going to use Play Store. So I'm just going to come on this search bar and then I'll search my one app. So my one app by Safaricom. So yeah, so this is the application. So if it is your first time, you'll need to install it and then ensure that you're on mobile data for you to log in for a secure verification of your account. So since I already have the app, I'll just click on open. So when I click on open, this is how the application looks like. So this is the interface. So I'll just scroll downwards here to this area written, to this section written my finances, and then I'll just click on view all, and then I'll just give it a few seconds for it to open. Yeah, just a few seconds for it to open. So as you can see here, so we are on the section financial services. We have global payments, transport and travel. So I'm interested on global payments, as you can see on your screen. So I'll just click on global payments. Then from here, you can be able to see the M-Pesa Visa card or stroke global pay. So just click on that section and then I'll give it a few seconds for me to log in. So I'll just log in. Yeah, so you can follow this on your screen. So this is the Global Pay or M-Pesa Visa card. So our main aim is to get the virtual Visa card for us to be able to use the details to pay Netflix. Yeah. So here we are. Welcome to Global Pay. So this is what you get. You get a virtual Visa card instantly. So you can use these Visa cards to make payments on international online merchants, for example, Netflix, which you are interested in. So the next thing is to opt in. So I'm just going to opt in here. Yeah. So you can follow these on your screen. So I'll just opt in to the Global Pay. Yeah. So from here, you can be able to generate the card details. So what you're interested in is the card number, the expiry date, and also the CVV. So a CVV is a 3-digit security code. So from here, you can proceed with C card details. Already when you opt in, you'll be able to generate all that. So if you want to see your card details and the expiry date and the CVV, just click on see card details. Yeah, so I'll not click on see card details because of personal information. Yeah, so but after you've clicked on see card details, you'll be able to see that the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV, that is the 3-digit security code. Then from here, you log in now to Netflix on the payment details. So you are required to use the card number. So you'll just use the card number generated, and then you're going to input the expiry date and also the 3-digit security code, which is the CVV. Then enter your name of the card. You can use your name and then click on agree and then save. Then from there you'll be able to make a successful payment to Netflix. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on our new uploads. Thank you.